Hello everyone, welcome to this second tutorial of this HTML tutorial series. In this tutorial we are going to have a look at very basic HTML tags, and for this tutorial I am using Notepad, but for later tutorials I will be using Visual Studio Code, and then I will tell you how you can download Visual Studio Code and what are good themes for Visual Studio Code. But for now on we are going to use Notepad for this tutorial. So every HTML file starts with a basic HTML tag, this tag, and in HTML we have opening tags and we have closing tags. So this was an opening HTML tag. Now we have to close this tag like this. So opening and closing of a tag is very important. If one tag is opened and is never closed, then you will have some errors in your browser. And remember, every HTML file runs in browser. So HTML is our first tag, and now we are going to have a look at our second main tag, which is head tag. As you can see, I have opened the head tag, and now I am going to close this head tag. It is very important to close the tags immediately when you open this tag, because while working on larger files or larger projects you can easily forget to close a tag. So it is important to close the tag immediately after you open the tag. So in head tag we have another tag which is called the title tag. As you can see, I have opened this tag and I am going to close this tag immediately. In this title tag we will write some text like this is my first web page. Okay, so I have written this title tag here, and the third important tag here is the body tag. I open the body tag and I am going to close this body tag. Okay, so I have closed this body tag and I am going to write some text here. This is my journey to web development. Okay, so I have written this text here. Here we have only three main tags: HTML tag, body tag, and head tag. So I am going to save this file now. So how I am going to save this? I am going to press Ctrl S. Okay, so on my desktop I have a folder called HTML course. Now I am going to change the file tabs to all files, and the name of my file will be my first web page. Now we have to put an extension here which is .html. This is very important. This extension is very important because this file will be running in browser, and all HTML files runs in the browser. So I am going to save this file. Now this file has saved. As you can see that my first web page, so this title of this file has been changed, which means that this file has been saved. So I'm going to minimize this. I am going to this HTML courses folder, and as you can see that the icon of this file has been changed to Microsoft Edge, which means that this file will be opening in the browser. So I'm going to double click on it. Here you can see that this file has a title of this is my first web page. Now you can ask me from where we have got this title. So we have got this title from here. This is my first web page. So this text or this title has been rendered here. This is my first web page, and this is our text that we have written in the body tag of the HTML file, which is here. This is my journey to web development. So this was the text that has been rendered here. So for this tutorial I think it is enough, and I will be seeing you in the next tutorial. Till then, take care of your health and see you very soon. Bye, take care.